Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying identity quickly. Upload passport and a recent utility bill, then confirm your email. Once done, choose invest or stocks and shares ISA depending on whether you want tax sheltering. This matters because it affects withdrawals and allowances. Next, link your UK bank using faster payments and initiate a deposit. Small test transfers help. Make sure to set the amount and review limits so your funds arrive without delay before you place your first trade. You now pick what to buy by searching the ticker and scanning fundamentals and recent news. This explains why the move is happening. After choosing a stock or ETF, decide order type. Use market for instant execution, limit to wait for a price, and stop loss to protect capital. Next, size the position by entering a sterling amount or percentage of your portfolio, and confirm no CFD or margin options are selected if you only want straightforward share ownership. You finish by actively managing trades. Add instruments to watch lists, set price alerts, and check your portfolio daily to rebalance when needed. When exiting, use full or partial close options in portfolio depending on risk reduction goals, and remember you can edit open limit orders to adapt to market moves. If something goes wrong, like a failed deposit or stalled verification, re-upload clear documents, take screenshots, and contact support promptly so your access and cash flow are restored without undue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.